Right, we're now here at Strathmore Road in Brighton. This is a 3-bed, 1-bath unit. Check out the living room right here. Nice and spacious. You got a lot of light in here. This is the living room. Let's check out the first bedroom. First bedroom right here. You have some closet space right here. This is room number 1. Let's move on to room number 2. It's a nice spacious room also. This is room number 2. This room has excellent closet space. This is room number 2. All right, let's check out room number 3. Lots of light in this room. Nice closet space. Actually, 2 closets in this room. This room also has a little private balcony space. So whoever chooses this room, it's definitely a good thing. Awesome. So now let's check out the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. Get a better view. Very nice. And last, here's the bathroom. All right. So this is a 3-bed, 1-bath on Strathmore Road in Brighton. Heat and hot water is included. Now available. This concludes the tour.